What's up, guys? Before we get this video started, anybody want to know what a Ryan's Diesel Service 68mm turbocharger sounds like on a 5-inch downpipe exhaust? I do. So does it sound like a jet? Yes, it does. But that sound is addicting. I'll leave a link in the description. RDS, Ryan's Diesel Service. Also, I have a coupon code for their turbos as well, Truckmaster. So we went to Harbor Freight today. We have a significant dent back there, which we'll show you here in a second. And we're going to actually attempt to pull this thing out using this $3.49 4.5-inch diameter suction cup. It's a body puller. It's just a cheap $3 thing that you could buy at Harbor Freight. And let's see if we can save ourselves some money today. Maybe it'll do the job, maybe it won't. I don't know, stay tuned. I'll have Mrs. Truckmaster.
You would throw things.
I'm gonna have Mrs. Truckmaster try to pull it out. She's actually gonna try it first, I think, right?
Yes.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah.
Ready for this video?
Yes. My truck is officially mine too, by the way.
Exciting.
I can legally drive it on the road, and I will have my official Wife Max plate in what, a couple weeks, did they say? Mm-hmm. So, yes, exciting.
So you can legally drive the truck now.
Yes. Okay,
first legal startup. Guys, it's about 90 degrees right now, so we're actually going to go ahead and back the Wife Max up into some shade right here. We could do it in the garage, but it's kind of dark. So this is the dent that we're doing the video on. I really hope you guys can see that. It's tough. It's really hard to tell. Basically, it just caves in right here, and it's significant. Dang it, man, you can barely tell.
Well, do you have old videos where you can really see it well?
You want to just pull it out into the sun just a little bit, and let's see if we can actually notice this.
Oh yeah, you can see it way better in the sun. Got a big one here. Got a couple dings that probably won't work on, but this one, what do you think about this one?
Yeah, I don't know if the little suction cup's gonna be able to, that's kind of small. We'll try, but I don't think it'll work. Be real, the big reason why we're doing this video, guys, is this dent right there. You guys see it now? It's a little, I think you can see it a little easier now. It actually, I don't want to say it creases into the light here, but it does kind of divot right here, right where the light is. So let's focus on that. We are not body professionals, body guys, gals.
Not body professionals.
I mean, I did do a video on how to replace rockers and cab corners on the LBZ Duramax. I did do that with a good buddy of mine that works at a body shop. That was very nice of him. So, but that was done professionally, man. I mean, perfect almost. If you guys looked at my rockers and cab corners, they look amazing. And to be honest with you guys, I was getting some quotes, $2,500 a side to do rockers. Incredible. That tent back there, I don't know if the cop's going to be able to see that.
We'll see. Let me look out the window.
Yeah, a little bit. I guess you can kind of tell. It's there, though. We're good.
You can't put it on the outside.
Right. You have no idea how exciting it is to finally own the truck that we've been working on for so long. It's now ours. It's actually hers. It's in her name. It's her truck.
It's officially Wife Max. My plate's going to say Wife Max on it. And he even said at the Secretary of State, that's what we call our DMV here. He's like, oh man, I can't drive it now. It says Wife Max on it.
I'll still drive it.
I know you will.
Do a few burnouts. This was $3.49.
Oh, and you got the little one for the little guys?
Yeah, but that's probably still too big for the little ones. This one right here was $2.99. This one right here, $3.49 to pop that big giant dent out. That's what we're more focused on right now today. I think we can handle it. I doubt this will work, but we're gonna try.
This thing is so cheap, watch. Here. It's so cheap, look, you could steal it so easy.
Hey, I like that.
Voila.
You don't have to cut a bunch of stuff out of it. Let's see what happens here for $3.49. Will this pop a dent out?
I'm gonna pray it works because I want the dent out.
All right, let's try it.
So you put it on and then I'm assuming...
Center it where you want to pop it out.
Like right here, right? You think?
Sure.
And then you pull it in.
I don't know. As long as it sticks to it.
It does. Ready? Oh! Okay.
You popped it out.
A little bit.
No, you
yeah,
did
look,
it.
Like right here. Now I have to do it right here now. It's not catching.
Got to sit flat.
Yeah.
Use a little one.
Oh, good call. Okay.
Yeah, it's just right here where it's a little sunk in, but the metal right here is a lot stronger than right here. So that's probably what your resistance is. But either way, that dent is popped out.
No, it's still...
No, the big dent is gone.
Oh, yeah, the big one.
Oh, this whole side right here, guys, was caved in, and now it's popped
now
out.
you got this little wave right here. Oh, that really suctioned it. No.
Yeah, let's try the bigger one. I'd have to go about right there.
It's pulling. Yeah, it's just popping back.
It's like right here. I don't think we're going to be able to get this, Donnie.
No, that little wave right there. It got the big...
Got the big giant dent.
Yeah. It might be hard
This
to
thing is awesome.
It might be hard to see on camera though. No.
All right, we'll leave it alone.
The camera makes things look so much nicer.
Yeah. All right, so what about right here?
That little dent. Let me try the little dent.
That may be bigger than the dent. But we'll try.
Well, it grabbed.
Okay, so for $3.49, yes, absolutely, we can pull that dent. That's pretty awesome. But now, wasn't expecting to get this far into the video, but I do have a few tools at my disposal that I've had in my toolbox for a very long time. And these are actually to pull little small dings out of your vehicle. You know, you have different fittings and such, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to hot glue this. I've done some research in the past on paint dent removal tools, and some of you guys watching the video may actually be body guys, and you guys know exactly what this stuff is. But basically what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and just glue right there. I'm actually going to put some hot glue, put it right against the panel, and then once I do that, I'm going to slide this over, and then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pop it out that way. The other thing that I was thinking about doing was actually using this puller tool right here, and it's the same concept. You line it up on the panel, you get it close to where you need to. Basically, you're pulling like that until the actual dent pops out.
Did you try this on your truck?
I've never tried it. I get too nervous doing this stuff sometimes.
Oh. So my truck is the guinea pig.
I keep dabbling in body work here and there, but I never get too committed because I'm a little nervous. I mean, I can do injectors. I mean, I can swap transmissions, motors, all kinds of good stuff. It's an art. It's a gift. You're gifted in that aspect. I'm definitely not.
I don't know about putting hot glue on my truck.
Well, don't worry. You can be rest assured that this is actually something that PDR guys actually use. All right, so I'm not saying I'm a professional, guys.
Yeah, you're putting hot glue on my truck.
It's fine.
This just doesn't seem right. Okay.
It's a good time of year to do it. I'll tell you what.
It is?
It sure is. Because it's not freezing cold, and that's going to bond to the panel a lot easier. Next, we're going to use this guy right here. And why I'm using that is because we still got to pop this ding out. Alright, so I think that's a good size. I'm going to go with it. Well, worst we can do is, try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We'll let that settle for a little bit. But as far as it'll go. You know what? I could probably use that hand puller.
Oh, yay. Look at all the hot glue.
All right, round 2. It's just coming right off.
Oh, good. Oh. Hey, it pulled the glue right off too. Perfect. It didn't do anything to the dent though.
No. Pulled it up right here, but not up here. Fine. Everyone, so we're here at this point where, of course, the PDR tools did not work for our specific application. Here we are, guys. We have that ding there, which we weren't able to successfully pop out. We also have one up here. And then, of course, we have this right here, which was caved in, which isn't anymore. But we still have that one spot that needs to come out. So you guys let me know in the comments what I should do. Actually considering hiring a PDR guy to come on over here and actually pull these little dings and stuff out. I think it's going to be a lot cheaper than actually having a real body guy come out here and pop all these out and, you know, of course, weld the tacks on there and pull them out with all the special tools. So, I don't know. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing. The other thing that we're thinking about doing is putting those wheel flares back on. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind wheel flares, and the paint's already messed up, and it's not like it's wintertime right now, so we don't got to worry about rusting. Right? Or will it rust in the summer?
It depends on how it's prepped. When we put these wheel flares back on, I want to make sure that it's on the body. There's no actual moisture that can get in it or dirt. Of course, this panel has to be completely clean. But I will prevent it from, and of course I'm going to do fluid film as well, but I'm going to prevent it from rusting. So I know a lot of guys, I've seen it multiple times, especially in the south, where you'll pull off your wheel flares and there'll be zero rust under there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reapply the wheel flares back on here, but do it correctly. We've also considered doing a wrap as well as a paint job, or one of the two. We're not too sure yet.
Yeah, is the wrap going to be this year, or are we going to wait till next year?
I don't know yet. It just depends on funds. And just a quick heads up to you guys. All red. You guys saw that fender. It looks pretty nasty. I am preparing it to go to the truck meet on the 27th in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
No, the protest.
Oh, the protest. That's right. You got to call it a protest. That way it's legal.
Yeah, that way we can really do it.
What I'm saying is the red truck, I'm actually going to attempt the body work on my own. I'm actually going to go ahead and sand everything down just on that one panel. What I will tell you is I'm already ordering the panel, but I do have a bunch of stuff in my garage. I still have supplies left in order to do this. If it turns out bad, I don't really care. You know, I'm getting a panel anyways. I think more or less this for me is for me to teach myself on how to do some body work. So I'm actually going to turn the camera on, and you guys can critique me all you want. All this nastiness right here. So I want to get it down to complete bare metal and see what we're working with before we do anything, but I'm actually going to do this on my own. We'll attempt it.
How long has it been since you got...
A year. This has been,
year?
it's been about a year and a half now.
Man, I can't believe how quickly.
I know, but the paint itself looks really good still. I mean, the clear coat.
I mean, just this right here.
Yeah, but see, this right here wasn't done. I mean, it seemed like the guy may have sanded it down and then just painted over it, for all I know. But I do know, I did it to myself. I really should have replaced this panel before I dropped this off to the body guy. I should have done it. So I'm gonna spend the coin now and make a show out of it. Put it on YouTube.
How much is a panel like this?
Like $300 online for the panel, and then to paint it and all that. I'll probably be in it $600 or $700.
Ouch.
Yeah. By the way, truck bed for sale, $1,200, rust free. Will this body puller actually pull a dent out? Yes, absolutely. For $3.49, if you have a huge dent and you want to pop that thing out, go to Harbor Freight and pick up one of those suction tools. It worked, okay? We did miss a little spot on the side of it, no big deal, but we got the remainder out. So that's the success of this video. I'm excited about it. All those fancy schmancy tools, definitely not my style, as you guys can tell.
Yeah.
But
I didn't really care for the super glue thing. That was a little weird, but...
Yeah. Why am I on my knee?
I don't know. Are you taking a knee?
We have an announcement to make.
You're proposing?
We're having a baby.
No, what? No, you don't do that when you're having a baby.
Oh. Okay, guys, that is it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see my ugly bodywork job, maybe with the old red. We'll see how that turns out, because I have no clue how that... And I'm going to ride that way, too, until I get that other panel, so it doesn't really matter. But that's it, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe if this is your first time. We'll see you on the next video.
Stay tuned.
You got magazines in? Video?
Don't miss, Nick. Got a lot of people watching.
Thanks.